What if I told you that the way we're currently traveling with our watches is all wrong? Forget bulky cases, worrying about traveling with your whole collection, or just not having the right watch for the situation, all of which can ruin your vacation vibe. This isn't just about protecting your precious timepieces, it's about transforming the way you travel with your watches altogether. Get ready to discover the secret to seamless watch travel that will make every journey a breeze. The common mistake we all make is thinking we need to bring multiple watches to every trip, just to be prepared. You need a diver for the beach, a sleek dress watch for a nice dinner, and something else for everything in between. It's a logistical nightmare, and honestly, it's a risk you don't need to take. The secret is to bring one watch and a handful of straps, and that's it. So how do you choose that perfect one watch? It needs to do it all, and it needs to do it all well. First of all, you're looking for versatility. That means a watch that can look just as good in a suit as it does with a t-shirt and shorts. A clean dial, a simple colour scheme, and a case size that isn't too big or too small are all key here. Second, you need durability. Your travel watch is going to face some bumps along the way, so look for a watch with a robust case and a scratch-resistant crystal. Sapphire being the gold standard here. It's also important to look for some good water resistance of at least 100 meters. Dive watches fit this perfectly. Think of an Omega Seamaster, a Seiko SKX, or a Citizen ProMaster diver. This style of watch is the ultimate canvas for all of the straps you're going to pack, allowing you to adapt to any situations you encounter on your travels. To prove my point, every image you see in this video is the exact same watch, which is my personal Seiko SRPE. For me, it's the perfect travel companion. Now, it doesn't tick every box for the ultimate one watch travel piece, but it has become my personal go-to. It's reliable, versatile, and it's what I trust for all my travels. All you need to pack is a small soft watch pouch or roll that can hold 3 to 5 straps and maybe a compact spring bar. It takes no space in your luggage and weighs considerably less than a full case. A small, organized kit is your entire collection for the trip. So what goes into this perfect watch strap survival kit? The key is variety, but a very specific kind of variety. You want a collection that covers all the bases without bringing any unnecessary fluff. First, you're going to need a formal favorite. This is your classic leather strap. A good quality one can instantly elevate a casual sports watch, making it perfect for nice dinners or business meetings. Next, you need the adventurer's essential. This is a durable, waterproof rubber strap. This is non-negotiable for any water activity. It's easy to clean, comfortable, and you don't have to worry about damaging it as they're very robust. Finally, you want the everyday all-rounder. A comfortable fabric strap is perfect for sightseeing, exploring a city, or just lounging around. This whole process hinges on being able to swap straps quickly and easily. Now, most modern straps come with quick release spring bars, which are amazing, but you still may want to pack a small, quality spring bar tool. Something like this JPM travel tool is ideal. It's compact and high quality. Being able to change your watch's personality in seconds means you can go from the beach to the bar without missing a beat, ensuring you always have the perfect watch for the moment. So forget about overpacking and forget about worrying. Just pick that one perfect, rugged but versatile watch to build your travel kit around. With a handful of straps, you've got a whole collection right at your fingertips, ready for anything your travels throw your way. This simple approach will not only keep your watches safe, but also simplify your packing, giving you more time to enjoy your vacation. What's your go-to watch? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more watch tips and insights. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.